Dirty Shebada, stop again with Zandramah. Remember, I'm not afraid of your mouth. You meet your match and like a mistake in a hardcover primary school book, or something I gotta rob you out. Me see a screamer calling me tell Jake saying 10-year-old daughter suck him wood. So I'm drape a feet, cause as a teacher, as a decent somebody, me know the God say that sound good. So try me address your dog shit to come about me and my daughter name. Drunk come, me know you're having Alzheimer's with the AIDS, so me come for bring about no memory lane. You never grew up in a single home, but your papa nearly killed you with leak. And when the man saw you were going to become a batty menace, him kicked the bucket when you were at the tender age of 6. You say him and your mama used to fight like puss and dog. You were raised in a chaos and misery in Franklinton, big dirty stinking yard. You were cut from a different cloth nasty or I raised my daughter sheltered classy and demure. I homeschooled her myself because I'm brilliant like that. Yes, she got her first choice when she took her GSAT and passed for immaculate. Don't worry about us being homeless in America. Or we put it out the American Idol. We have a roof over our heads now and living good. So Jamaican national duppy, go worry about your funeral. Yes, my pitney should have dead. So me should have been her come. Why your woman never like her catches down a Victoria Jubilee when she says an abomination out for come down. My daughter and my birthright should be you and she not take the same man. So tell me why this ET 5 looking duppy alien won't come stop with my nice clean daughter Jazan. You say she make me struggle in life. My struggle is my story. It shows that I'm an overcomer manifesting God's greater glory. All the struggle when I struggle, me never have to sell my body. Me stay focused and work hard because being a single mother is not a criminal activity. Until now, you can't find one reason as to why your woman love you. You're 43, so she breed years ago. Family planning was very new. Cause one condom could have prevented you, but your woman never used none. Like mother, like son, you never use none either. And that's why the disease and near you down. You go to school for one bench, done smart, not even pass on one subject. At age 43, the only qualifications you have your Jamaican birth certificate. No wonder why you hate me so, cause me struggle and finish Eddermanly. I'm a certified teacher, Zandramah learning corner. If TikTok lock, my can't dead for hungry. So when me and you talk TikTok matters, stick to the focal points of the conversation. Cause why you try to open somebody's closet when you're still battling childhood trauma rejection? Why would you say something like that about a child? You know damn well it doesn't sound good. So tell us, when your uncle used to beat you as a pitney, instead of beat you for sucky mood? Cause you love to project your trauma on others. Guy Khaliza, that's how you behave. And stop telling lie about him, put me out of theater. You get put out a center stage. And because you don't have no brilliance, cause remember, you a boy who hate school. You create happy kind of production and give birth to nothing. Cause Fig Tree will not produce nothing but contention, you're barren like a mule. You emerged in Jamaican theatre when female representing men were quite taboo. So naturally people was batty curious then. That's why they didn't even look at you. But pay attention closely. Nobody now use a sound. Cause fresh girls come out and cross the borderline. We try to drug, wanna be queen, it's a rap. What's a Shebada come to town? When was the last time you get a bookings? No, I mean back road a Portmore. You only come up once a year for your medication cause nobody not take up cemetery and put no dopey on a tour. So true you know me a lesbian. You say me a butch and confused on my mind? Are you confused all crosses? Remember, are you dip on the borderline? Me not a border rat like you. You can't dip from America. Dip yourself in a some olive oil and run go find a pastor. You salt and never christen go dip and baptize a low life kill yourself in a some river water. I'm not a butch. I don't wear labels. God made me as a woman. And unlike you with your nails in my favor clause, I've made no alteration. Your grudge with where God split way. That's why you have become so bitter. You tell me if you go suck Jazan, keep your family oral traditions between you and your nasty mama. Baby can't go in a body. Germs won't help them thrive. No matter how much time them bust off in you when you corrupt them on them, it will never bring forth life. Don't try to attack me being a lesbian woman. I became fruitful and multiplied the earth. Did you follow God's instruction? But your dream is to leave a legacy for children. No, you don't have the type of legacy to impact education. You and I don't have the same audience reach. You and I don't have the same niche. You're on social media to raise contention. I'm here to raise awareness, empower, entertain, and teach. But what are we, my poem never hurt you? Well, thank God, Miss Lou must be proud, because the only talent what you have is being nasty, scandalous, and loud. You don't know how to craft a poem. You don't have that type of brilliance. That's why you also hate Miss Kitty, because you're threatened by a woman with virtue and substance. Shebada, how bother you? You remember you bring down spice and class about her wig and her ear? Me say I give back material for the people that build house in a Hurricane Melissa. But Shebby, you weren't there. So after all the people that will buy tickets on the 14 parishes to see you in a bashment granny, you mean to say you had nothing to give back? Cause you spent off all your money on Batty? But my daughter's a baggage. Go worry about the one them on the AI. I talk about a theatre gear wrinkle drunk at a tell lie. Somebody can buy a mirror gear up father up above. You suck out, tin out and look mash up, you know. You have a face only your mama could have love. You're 43 and me 48. Look on the two of face. You look like a historical artifact, like an Egyptian mummy who are wrapped up buried for years. RT boss, me I beg your favor for you talk to the underworld very regular. See if you can beg Dingy to tell the grandmaster same assignment cancel, so send back for Shebada. Drunko, we are the village who raise the kids. So next time when you open your cesspool mouth, kindly leave the kids about the adult business. Follow me on every platform and shake me to go viral. We want to hold for somebody at Shebada funeral.